These are the birds. Let's throw it outside. First of all, let's talk about this case. This case is a polycarbonate case, and this case comes with this micro USB charging port. Here you can see, and the build quality of the case is nice, and this case is a very clear looking case, and we also get a LED notification light here. When we open this case, we can see these birds. These have the magnets. You can see that these birds are not falling from this case, so this is a plus point. This comes with a magnet, so it can stick directly to that birds, as you can see here. And we can charge this birds with the help of this case. So if you lost this case, forget about these birds, because we can't charge without a case. And this case also got a battery inside, which can store the power and give the power to these birds when we are put these birds in this. And it can charge your birds up to 4.0 hours backup time. So let's talk about this bird. So this is about the case, and let's move on to these birds. So these are the very nice looking birds, but in terms of comfort, I would say the comfort is okay, not that great, not that bad. These birds comes with a lot of features. First of all, the plus point is these are touch controls, not manually adjustable. These are touch control buttons. When we tap on these earbuds 2 times, it will play and pause the song, 3 times skip the song, next song, and backtrack. I will show you how can it be done by a app called Realme Link. So these are the Realme Buds Q. Let's take a close look. So this is the right earbud and this is the left earbud, and these buds are the best Bluetooth TWS earphones under 2000 rupees. Why? Because I will tell you in this video. Let's take a closer look at these buds. This is a right bud, as you can see here, and this is the left bud. And if you take a look at these buds downside, these buds comes with these 2 microphones. You can this helps when you're talking with these birds. When we take a look at these birds ear tips, these are very comfortable tips. When you hear them, you can't feel any headache or any ear issues. But yeah, these birds have some minor issues. I will tell you in this video. These are the birds. Let's throw it outside. And this is the right and this is the left cup. When you wear them like this on your ears, these buds pretty muchly covers your ear so that you can't hear any outside of the noise. So it's almost connected right now to my mobile, because I have to handle Bluetooth on my mobile, and these are connects to the mobile when you take this from the outside of the box automatically. And let me tell you these buds features. These buds comes with 10mm drivers, and these buds comes with 10mm drivers included in the buds. And these are IPX4 water and dust resistance buds, so that this can survive in a light water and sweat if you are a gym lover or if you are a runner. So you can wear them without any tension. And these are touch control buds, the only buds under 2000 rupees which comes with a touch control. So yeah, plus point, Realme, you done a great job. And these comes with a 10mm drivers, which gives you a extra bass when you are hearing the sound, when you are hearing the music. Yeah, when it comes to sound quality, the vocals and mids are okay, but the bass is very crisp in this. And you can also customize this earphones in the Realme Link app. So you have to pair it with the buds, and then you can customize every bud you can possibly can. These buds are also very lightweight, about 7 grams, including with the case it weighs around 60 or 70 grams, so it's lightweight to carry along with you. So this is about a small review about these buds, because this is my first review of any product. So I will be link to this mobile buds in the description box down below, so you can buy it from there and enjoy buds. And one more important thing, that this buds Bluetooth range is up to 10 feet, but I tested it will comes over 16 to 70 feet. And if you gone out of the 15 to 16 meters of feet of distance, it will automatically disconnects. And this also comes with the Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. So yeah, this is pretty much it about the buds, Realme Buds Q. It's a long term review, but I have landed it from my friend, so thanks for this. So that's it for the video. So we can customize the Realme Buds Q right and left buds with the help of a Realme link. You can find this app in Play Store and download it, and then just you have to pair it. So after pairing that buds, let's just pair these buds. Okay, you have to just click on this Realme Buds Q, then just click on connect. This is having some problems right now. I'll connect them and come back. After going to the app, you have to connect them manually through the app. If you're connected already through the Bluetooth, you have to just disconnect them and then just click on again connect. So this is the Realme Buds Q. When after connecting that, you have to go back. So you can see these are already connected here. If you have a lot of customizations here, like a game mode, if you turn the game mode on, it sounds very ridiculously. And you can also customize everything, pretty much everything for these buds, and left bud and right bud. You can customize this left bud actions from here, and you can customize the right bud actions from here, and also lets you choose the game mode turning and off. So this is the one feature when you hold the two buds simultaneously. So there's pretty much you can there is a lot of things you can control with this app. So this is also a plus thing, that we are getting a app support for this Realme Buds Q TWS buds under 3,000 rupees, so under 2,000 rupees. So this is a plus point. So I have almost forgotten to tell you that you have to create an account before you can customize this buds. So go through it and enjoy the music.